Flash floods leads to 16 dead with 18 missing in western China. CBI raids 21 different places in Delhi NCR in excise policy case, including Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's residence. Chinese media, state media, on 18 of August say that 16 people have died and 18 others remain missing after a flash flood in western China due to a sudden rainstorm that triggered a landslide that diverted a river and caused flash flood in the populated areas, killing at least 16 people and leaving 18 others missing. Rescuers who earlier reported 36 people missing had found 18 of them, said state broadcaster. China is facing both heavy rains and flooding in some parts of the country this summer and extreme heat and drought in other regions. State media have described the prolonged heat and drought as the worst since record-keeping started 60 years ago. James Sonteron report on updates for International Kirby Daily News. CBI raids 21 different places in Delhi NCR in excise policy case, including Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia resident on 19th day of August 2022. The Central Bureau of Investigation on 19th day of August 2022 and raided Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's residence in connection with the investigation into the alleged irregularities in the Delhi excise policy. In this connection, Deputy Chief Minister Sisodia expresses dissatisfactions. However, he welcomed the CBI team and assured them with his cooperation. He welcomed the CBI team with extreme honesty and cooperation. He also tweeted that read, "It is very unfortunate that those who do good work in our country are harassed like this. That is why our country has not yet become number one." In this case, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal asserted that the whole world is discussing the education and health model of Delhi, but the central government want to stop from doing welfare, and that's why the health and education minister of Delhi were raided and arrested. Whoever tried to do good work in 75 years was stopped. That's why India was left behind. James Sonteron on National Updates, Kirby Daily News.